Sean Preslowski here, and today, in honor of the great Eddie Van Halen, I'm going to teach you a couple of riffs that you can play. So the first one I'm going to teach you is, and it's in standard tuning, is Good Old Hot for Teacher. And so this is a fun little tapping riff, and it's not as tricky as it seems, even though it's fast. So I'm just going to dive right into it on how you do it. Now, first things first, if you really want to be true to Eddie, which I'm not in this regard, but holding the pick like Eddie, he holds it with his middle finger to leave his first finger kind of open, and then when he taps, he kind of hides it in his hand like this, so you kind of have to make like a magic trick to do that. So I don't tap with my first finger, I just hold my pick normal and tap with my middle finger. So we're gonna have this kind of group of 6 happening, and it's nice because it's symmetrical, so every fret's gonna be the same on each string here. So the first thing we're gonna start with is open 3-7, and then we're gonna tap 12, and we're just gonna descend that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're gonna do that 4 times. Now we're gonna shift that up 2 frets and do the exact same thing, kind of like 3 3/4 times. So when we do this 0, 5, 9, on that 9 instead of going back. So the first little chunk sounds like. Next chunk, exact same thing on the next string, except instead of starting with 0, we're going to tap 12. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to have. Now you'll notice that one on the D string I only do 3 times. So here's what we've got so far. Okay, after that, 3rd string. We're gonna do the same thing. Frets 0, 3, 7 twice, but starting with tapping the 12. The 5, 9 twice. The 0, 3, 7 twice. Then twice again. Okay, so far. So, I know I changed the order up a little bit there, but listen to what I said versus what I played. It'll go better for you. At the very end here, we're gonna do another symmetrical run. I use fingers 1, 2, and 3, kind of the cheater's way of doing this, and it's just gonna be frets 5, 7, and 8. And we're gonna tap 12. So our first group looks like this. We're gonna go 12. So 12, 5, 8, 7, 8, then pull off. Tap again. Now out of nowhere, you're gonna hammer onto the 8th fret on the next string. So, that last run. And then we hit this F sharp minor 7th. So, the last run. Okay, all together.